Do you want to be able to see your recently viewed pins on Pinterest? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to see it. But it's very important I should do watch this video and follow along step by step. Feel free to work just so you know. The first step is going to be for us to come into our Pinterest app. As you can see, I'm currently on my Pinterest app right here. The most important thing, by the way, before you actually go into being able to view your recently viewed pins on Pinterest, you need to make sure that you do have the latest update for your Pinterest app, just so you know. For example, if you're using an iPhone, then you need to go into the App Store, then search for Pinterest in there. If you have an Android, then go into Google Play Store and also search for Pinterest and see if you have any update button on there. Because if you do, then it's very important that you do click on that update button so that you do make sure you have the latest update for Pinterest to be able to make this work, just so you know. Because if you don't have the latest update on Pinterest, well then this will not work, because this is the latest update from the Pinterest app basically. Also, another thing you need to make sure is that you have been using Pinterest for at least 1 or 2 days before you can actually view your watch history. So if you have used your Pinterest for less than 1 to 2 days, then unfortunately you will not be able to view it, just so you know. So basically, now to be able to view your watch history on your Pinterest, what you're going to do is come to this page right here, and then you're going to firstly click where it says saved in the bottom right corner. By the way, for some of you, it might be a profile picture in the bottom right corner instead, but just click on it and then you should be taken to this page right here. Essentially, you need to go to your profile and then select the 3 dots in the top right corner. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, you should be brought to this page. On this page, you'll now select Settings, so click Settings and you should be taken here. What I'm going to do now on this page is to click where it says Home Feed Tuners, to click on Home Feed Tuner. Now it should be taken here, and as you can see, it should now be taken here, and it says for me like this: you haven't been on Pinterest for a while, so your home feed doesn't include any recommendations. But based on recent activity, as you can see, I haven't been on Pinterest long enough because I haven't used this app in at least 24 hours, just so you know. This is why there's nothing here, but if you've used Pinterest in the last 24 hours, you will see your recently viewed pins here. For more videos such as these, make sure to subscribe down below.